Hi, my name is Adrian Chase, and I'm a software developer here at the NOAA Science on Sphere team. And today I will be showing you how to uninstall your SOS Explorer software. To do this, it's actually pretty simple. You will have these two shortcuts already installed on your machine: the SOS Explorer software itself, and then the SOSX Utilities folder. So you're going to want to go ahead and double click this, and then you will get this screen with all the shortcuts for the uninstall. So surprise, surprise, we're going to want to double click SOSX uninstaller to be able to uninstall this. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and just run that. You will need administrator privileges, which is why I just got that black screen. So if you don't have administrator privileges, make sure you contact your administrator. But yeah, once you double click that and accept the prompt, you will be given this screen, which basically just makes you confirm that you want to install SOS Explorer. In this case, I'm going to just go ahead and click yes. That will open up this screen, which basically will automatically start uninstalling anything that you have on your computer related to SOS Explorer. So this could take a while. Just let it do its thing. In this case, it's going to, as you see, start removing the shortcuts. So let's just let it do that. And I'll be back once it's done with the process. Hi, so here I'm done with the process, which basically means the installer or uninstaller screen will vanish. That means you're done, and you will notice that the icons are no longer here, which means they were removed automatically. So there is one last step. You want to make sure to just completely remove any information that you have installed on your machine. But basically, if you go to your SOS Explorer folder where you installed by default the C drive, program files, NOAA Science on a Sphere, SOS Explorer, you will have this folder. So this folder basically it saves the configuration that you have installed on your computer. So you see these JSON files. Basically, if you want to get rid of any previous configuration, you can go ahead and delete this folder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that's it, basically. You can go ahead and delete the further folders. So this will just basically, again, get rid of any custom configuration you've done. So if you want to get rid of that, you can go ahead and just delete it. You will need administrative privileges for this. However, if you want to just keep this configuration, it doesn't take a whole lot of space, just a tiny little bit of space. If you ever want to reinstall SOS Explorer again, we recommend you don't delete this. This is completely optional again, but just to give you the last step to get rid of any remaining information, you can go ahead and do that. But anyways, that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you never have to uninstall our software because you didn't like it. Thanks again.